Namaskar. In the third episode, we learn about Tal, Lay, and Tatkar. Kathak is a dance where every step speaks the language of rhythm. The heartbeat of this dance lies in three words: Tal, Lay, and Tatkar. They are not just musical elements, they are the soul of Kathak. Tal means rhythmic cycle. It is a fixed number of beats that repeat throughout a composition. Just like time keeps life in order, Tal keeps dance in harmony. In Kathak, we use many tals, each with its own character and feeling. For example, Teen Tal has 16 beats, balanced and majestic. Jab Tal has 10 beats, playful yet disciplined. Ek Tal with 12 beats, steady and devotional. Dadra 6 beats, Kaharwa 8 beats, Rupak 7 beats, Dhamar Tal with 14 beats, etc. A dancer learns to feel the tal, not just count it. When we perform, our ghungroos and footwork converse with the tabla. Every step, every beat becomes part of a musical dialogue. Now comes lay, the speed or tempo of the rhythm. It flows through every movement like breathe through the body. There are three types of lay. Vilambit lay, slow tempo, graceful and meditative. Madhya lay, medium tempo, expressive and balanced. Drut lay, fast tempo, energetic and full of spins. A good Kathak dancer must maintain control and composure, whether in the calm stillness of Vilambit or the whirlwind of Dhrit. This control of rhythm is what makes Kathak look effortless. Now comes Tatkar, the language of the feet. Tatkar is the foundation of Kathak's rhythmic beauty. Tatkar means the basic footwork pattern, created by striking the floor in rhythm with the beats. The sound of ghungroos, the strength of the ankles, and the clarity of the bowl, syllable, all come together here. The basic bowl of Tatkar is Ta Thai Thai Tat, A Thai Thai Tat. Tatkar is where dancers' connection with rhythm becomes visible. It is a heartbeat of the dance. When a dancer performs intricate footwork, matching every beat of the tabla, it feels as though time itself is dancing. So, Tal gives structure, Laya gives flow, and Tatkar gives life. Together, they form the language of rhythm, the essence of Kathak. Stay tuned for the next episode on Mudras and Abhinay. Like and subscribe now. There's so much more coming your way. Learn Kathak now. Contact us on 9867841536, 9833381427. Thank you.